Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw project updates from Jira into Slack using AI. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Jira account. Access your project dashboard where the updates reside. Identify the specific project for which you want to withdraw updates. Navigate to the Jira API section under the Settings menu. Generate an API token if you haven't already. Copy the API token for later use. Open your preferred coding environment. Create a new script file for the task. Import the necessary libraries such as requests in JSON. Set your Jira instance URL as a variable in the script. Define your API token within the script for authentication. Use the requests library to make a GET request to the Jira API. Specify the endpoint to retrieve project updates. Include any necessary parameters to filter the data. Run the script to fetch the updates from Jira. Store the retrieved updates in a variable. Format the updates to make them more readable. Now, open your Slack account. Create a new Slack app if you haven't done so. Navigate to the OAuth and Permissions section of your Slack app. Set up the necessary scopes to send messages. Generate a new OAuth access token for your Slack app. Copy this token for later use. Return to your script file. Import the Slack SDK library. Authenticate your Slack client using the OAuth token. Choose the specific channel where you want to send the updates. Create a message payload that includes the formatted updates. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.